In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock. Click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock available here. And select Face on the left. Now enter your current login method. Hit Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Choose Done. And manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure this one is enabled. Blue switcher next to Screen Unlock. Without it, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your smartphone. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!